Love Bunny.
Is your favorite?
Christian Dior.
And that's mine. Not for Zoe, it's her.
Oh.
That's for her.
You ready to become a Catholic?
Well, like.
Yay! Ooh, gonna be a Catholic.
She's happy she got her teddy.
You gonna show Teddy?
It's USA.
USA Teddy. So this is a very nice church. And they designed it for the Philippines. As you see, they have the giant doors on the side for ventilation. They also got screens up there. And they also got those giant long-bladed fans, which don't have to circulate very fast to circulate a whole lot of air. It's a very nice church. Alright, we just did Mass, and now Zoe's gonna get baptized. She's got her little white dress on, her white shoes. We got a white hat for her too, but she doesn't like it. So we might have to. Hi. Hi everybody. I'm becoming a Catholic today. She doesn't look very happy about it.
Do you clearly understand what you are undertaking? Dear Godparents, Nina, you are told to assist the parents of these children in fulfilling their duties as fathers and mothers. Not only announcing but also denouncing the things that are not good in the community.
Ready? Zoey Catherine, I baptize you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, baby. Don't worry. You see, Kuya, oh, he's
No,
not crying.
see? He's not crying.
She's really crying.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, poor baby.
She thinks it's the aloe.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Alright, so we went through the baptismal ceremony. Zoey is now an official Catholic here in the Philippines. She did pretty well. She got a little scared when the priest put the water on her head. She had to hold him in a certain way. You had to like hold her head down and everything. And it was a little too much water. But she's okay now. She's got Teddy. We're here at Cafe Racer. We're getting some food with the godparents. We have an extensive amount of godparents. And thanks to all the godparents that came. And we have probationary godparents as well. So, we're getting ready to eat. We ordered some food. We got some presents. We got to do all that stuff. And we'll be back in a bit. And Zoe just got another gift.
Nick said it was a wine.
Zoe's happy. Yay, presents. Look at her. She's thrilled. Yay. Doing the opening of the gifts.
It's for me.
And one of our godmothers is helping out.
Yay!
And the other godmother is on her phone, ignoring us. Teenagers. Wow. What do you think it is, Zoe? Hey, it's a phone. It's an iPhone 13 Max Pro.
Oh my god, that's what.
Wow. Alright, let's see. Oh. Wow. Hey. New shoes, new Chanelas, Fisher Price.
Yeah, try them on now.
You got some new tires, yo.
Zoe, how about this one?
You got some new kicks. Ah, you got a big one.
Give ours. They don't want to open her gift. Oh,
What?
it's from you?
What? It is?
They don't want it.
Oh no. We're having drama. She doesn't like it. Oh my gosh! Oh yes, Bunny! Bunny! You got Bunny! Here, Jess, hold it up so we can put it on the video.
You don't like
Oh, it's a bag. You got your first school bag.
Just say no.
Give Bunny a kiss. Mwah. And numbers 10, 10, 4 cheeseburgers. That's what I'm gonna have.
This one, so another one, Daddy.
Another gift.
You want to check? Do you want to open it?
She's flush, man. She's got new shoes, new backpack. She's ready to go. I don't know where she's going, but a new dress. Is that from the USA? Yeah, it's from the USA.
$7.
Ooh. Here in the Philippines, dresses are like 50 pesos. Here in the US, they're 800 pesos.
Like this?
Oh, Bunny! Love, Bunny. Zoe. Elsa. Wow.
Shoes. She wants the bunny.
Nobody got me anything? Wow. Zoe, love, Bunny. Love, Bunny. Aww. Christian Dior.
That's mine. Not for Zoe, it's her.
Oh.
That's for her. Baby.
Ah, another dress. I hope the second baby's a girl. Yeah.
I want a boy. Wait, we got.
Oh, Johnson's milk. All right. Oh, baby powder. And Babe Johnson's baby shampoo.
For her non-existing hair.
Hey.
And
Johnson's baby powder. So she's literally ready to go on a trip now. She's got the shoes, the backpack, the cosmetics. She's got the new dress.
She don't want sister to hold her bunny.
Hop, Bunny, hop, hop, hop. Wow, look at those big ears. Hey. Thank you guys, Ernie, thank you. Thank you guys so much. Oh, you got a bunny backpack. It's got the ears. Run, Zoe, run! Run, Zoe!